Welcome to this video, where we will show you how to hide your last name on the LinkedIn app using your phone. If you value your privacy or just want to make your profile less detailed for connections, this guide will help you adjust your settings quickly and easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, find the Visibility section and tap on it to open more options. After that, find the option that says who can see your last name. Tap on this option to see the available choices for displaying your last name. Finally, choose the option that shows only your first name. This will hide your last name from everyone on LinkedIn while keeping your profile recognizable. Now your LinkedIn profile will display only your first name, giving you more privacy and control over what others see. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends.